Hi everyone and welcome to Triple M Adventures with Bill. I think it's fun to make custom sounds for your RadioMaster TX16S. It's quite cool to make specific sounds and it's not difficult to do. And I've already done a video of this, so I'm going to direct you to the video where I show you how to make custom sounds for your radio. It can be quite fun because you can personalize it, you can choose a different type of voice, and I think it's great and it really does personalize your radio. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you really enjoyed it, please subscribe to my channel, and if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below because I'd love to hear from you. And please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.